Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the other hub that we need to get out the way so then we can get that ABS light on. Also have some good news. Found some pictures of the accident and we're going to throw those up on screen soon. I'm going to get this wheel off and thankfully you'll see from the pictures. We'll see the damage from the pictures. Be right back when we get this wheel off. All right, so I know I said before that we were going to change the brakes on the channel. I had to do them during a weekday, so I didn't have enough time to film. We're still going to get these brake calipers off, and so here's the pictures from the accident, okay? And from looking at it, it doesn't look that bad. It just looks like a minor front end damage, but it was considered a total loss. So these images are from like 2010. So the vehicle was only like 3 years old whenever it got wrecked, which kind of sucks. And whenever I zoomed in, I can see that the radiator actually had a big dent on the top of it. And then you can also see where those dots are around the side where the headlights don't light up. That is also a sign of what we saw last video. And you know, I'm gonna have to take off most of that front end to see if there's any damage still, because it kind of feels like it's vibrating whenever it's driving down the road. And I got the tires rebalanced and everything, and it still has that vibration. So we're going to get that checked out eventually on the channel as well to kind of go over and see what the damages were. I'm going to finish getting these brakes off and we're going to get to the hub behind here and see what's going on. All right, brake caliper is off. We're going to get this disc off. And we're going to get this hub nut off. Yeah, so from the photos, it doesn't look too bad. I thought it was essentially going to be worse. But again, it still would have been nice to know. You know, it's always good to know when a vehicle's been in an accident. It also, you know, helps you determine the price of the vehicle. Right now, all 4 bolts are done from the back. Make sure you have some blue Loctite to put these back in so they don't wiggle around. And then, let me find it, you're gonna need a pulley puller, or any puller really. Loosen that up, it's too long. Wow, this hub's actually really loose. So, I don't have any adjustable wrenches around. I do have some pliers though. It was not this easy last time. So, let's see. Oh, it takes for 13, perfect. So we're gonna get this hub off. You don't have to take these brake discs off, or these brake shoes. Sometimes, you know, I say the wrong things, that's okay. We all do sometimes, right? All right, let's get that on there. Yeah, see, this is how hard it was last time, the whole time. And again, if you haven't checked out my last video, go watch it. It's not too bad. It shows you how exactly to do this job step by step. Okay, old hub is off. Again. Once again. It's broken somehow and the magnet is chewed up. So, we got our new one here. And, drum roll please, hold your applause. Look at that. Brand new. Also, I didn't give y'all a part number last time. Let me find that. It is 91-247701 from CarQuest. So, we're going to get this area cleaned up, get the new hub on, and we'll be right back. Also, doing this job, grab yourself a can of brake clean, some shop towels, or even paper towels. Mostly shop towels because they don't leave a mark around. Get all this area cleaned up. Now that we got a nice clean surface, we're gonna install this back in. finally, no ABS light, still got that SH all-wheel drive lights. We're gonna have to look into that and see what's going on with that. But finally, we're done with the ABS lights in this car. So if you want to see the full video on how to get that hub replaced, check out my first video. It'll be in the description below. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment down there. Let me know what you're thinking of the content so far. Hopefully we can move on to another project. I might be looking at the front end of this car as well, since I know that that was in an accident now. So again, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's super free. It's very helpful for the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.